Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome, and if subscribed, thank you so much for being here, and of course thank you for always supporting my channel. Today I am going to go ahead and be doing a one product wash and go. I have been on operation clean out my stash. Anything that's midway that I've used a few months ago that is on its last leg that I just want to get out, I'm using all these products up because I have half used products and I'm trying to open new ones. It's not going to work. So I need to get the old ones out, midway out first, and then I'm going to go ahead and start opening the new ones that I want to try out. The product that I'm going to be using today is a gel. This is the gel that I will be using. This is by Pattern. This is the curl gel. This is supposed to give you shine, definition, and hold. Let's go ahead and put this to the side. So I have used this in combination with the cream. I don't think I've actually used it on its own, but today I am. I know it does have a tacky feel. Let's just go ahead and get into it. Okay, so this is the texture of the actual product. Like I did say, it has some substance to it. It smells really good. If you smelled Pattern's product, it has that same smell. Okay, there is definitely slip. I'm a little confused because it didn't weigh my hair down, but no, it did. Okay, I'm a little confused. It did weight my hair down. Hold on. Okay, so I'm gonna grab some to this, warm it up. Okay, it is weighing it down. It's just weighing it down in a way that I haven't seen my hair react like that. So that's why I was a little confused, but it is weighing my hair down. So far, so good. The curls are looking good. Let's go ahead and do the rest of it. Okay, so the product is fully applied into my hair. Again, this is the product that I am talking about. I have featured other products from Pattern, but not this one specifically. I have used this multiple times to go ahead and slick my hair down, but not for an actual wash and go. So the claims for this curl gel is that it's going to define, give you bouncy and juicy curls, looking for medium hold. So it's supposed to have medium hold. We shall see when this does dry down. Again, I have used it to slick down my hair, but not for an actual wash and go. It does look really nice. My hair does look juicy. It is bouncy. It has a lot of definition as well. So I am hoping that it dries down the same way. I do have just product sitting on top of my hair. It's going to seep in, so I'm not too worried about it, but let's go ahead and see once my hair dries down, and I will be back with the results. My hair is fully dried, and I did go ahead and diffuse just because it was taking too long. I did go ahead and add a lot of product, and y'all, the shine is there, the definition is there. I am not upset with the results, but hold where? For my hair, there was absolutely no hold. I slightly just did that. I do see some frizz. I'm not even upset about it. It's voluminous. It's giving what it needs to give, minus the hold. If you do want hold, I would recommend to use their strong hold gel, but overall it looks good, it feels good. Okay, and tomorrow morning I'm going to the gym, so it's going up in a pony, so it doesn't really matter, but I definitely did enjoy this as a wash and go. What I will say is, to get a voluminous quick wash and go, I would definitely use this again. It got the job done. Let me know down below if you have used this particular product. And that is all that I have. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.